If you are looking for the best whole house humidifiers, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Aprilaire 500 Whole House Humidifier. The Aprilaire 500 Whole House Humidifier is a bypass model. It is thought to be one of the best in its class. It can humidify an area of 3,000 square ft for several hours in one go. The company doesn't state the tank capacity or the maximum runtime for this product. However, we do know that it can provide a half gallon of humidity per hour. It comes with automatic controls that make the unit quite easy to use. Moreover, it is fitted with a drain hose which flushes the unwanted water particles. Number 2. Aprilaire 700 Automatic Humidifier. Another Aprilaire item, the 700 Automatic Humidifier can evaporate 0.75 gallons of water per hour. It is for this reason that the unit accompanies a sizable water tank. The company doesn't exactly reveal the unit's gallon size. However, we do know that it can cover an area of up to 4,200 square feet. One great thing about this Aprilaire unit is how easy it is to control. The automatic digital control panel makes everything simple. Primarily, this is because of the high-quality feedback system and sensors. Number 3. Aprilaire 865 Whole House Steam Humidifier. Our next product on the list already grabs the attention with the brand name. Aprilaire has been known for inventing the home evaporative humidifier in 1954. It stands at the front of this industry, and this product proves its function at home. It comes with a mounted fan to be able to push the humidified air in homes without an HVAC duct system. The unit is versatile as it can cover up to 6,200 square feet of space. You can also adjust the amount of moisture that will be absorbed in the air. Number 4. Honeywell HE360A1075 HE360A Whole House Humidifier. The next product impressed us with its low requirements for maintenance. The flow-through design will do almost the whole work for you. You will only need to clean it once a year and change the pad in just about 5 minutes. The installation requires a low to moderate amount of ability. It will not take it a lot of time. You have 2 options for mounting, on a warm air supply or on a return air duct of a furnace. However, you might struggle with is the wiring. Number 5. AIRCARE MA0800 Evaporative Humidifier. AIRCARE is famous for making some of the world's best humidifiers, and what a job they did on the MA0800 mini console. One of the best options in the mid-price range, the MA0800 effortlessly keeps humidity levels between 30% and 50%, the best range to keep airborne allergens and viruses at bay. Weighing about 8.5 pounds and measuring 12 by 18 by 16.5 inches, length x width x depth, AIRCARE MA0800 has the ability to humidify a space up to 2,600 square feet and goes up to 36 hours without running out of water.
Thanks for watching the video. For more details, click the link in the description.